welcome. Can you cancel when you go money? Get there to all of meeting. Lose your babo na apa ikede. When you buy welcome.
When you what to go Jimmy na meeting now. So I know so come to go them. Oh. By next week I have to take you.
What's that again?
Next week when you
come all about you go into. I got get young boy. But you are the two. Never go. When you read it.
Oh, there's going on way for same.
What the fuck on you?
What's the prison about was here?
The show.
What to what to one on the chair?
When I was born, you know.
What for you?
The show.
Can go see this?
Odo go on the Janina. Yakime. I say better.
Doesn't get away as I come on. And I see an abatamo. On we busy gum.
That's nigga prison.
Oh. I said, yeah, no one imagine prison. He said, I'm going to go down to prison.
Yeah, you don't say come on, I will check.
What is the best I will do?
Oh, sorry.
Never.
Now, what do you?
To sorry, sir.
What just relax you when you
want to
go see it.
Papa.
So, no one is in prison.
Abruni.
We will not send the Megan to prison. When you guys in my table with the money in prison. Now, no one was in the business now. We are lazy. Go to be in a prison. What do you want to be? Yawa. Okay, so Yawa. Eh? I try to meet you call Bulumbu. And I'm just not having another good night. See, go see Munyansi. I try to master no more. I will not say. You need to disturbance in Oba. Every month, go and 30,000 security levy. You better be from a prison. Eboalia. Wait. Go and 30,000 naira security levy every month. Or whatever you are in a prison.
I'm about you
what's 30,000?
Dente.
Did you mean?
Yes. See you again. And I buy the common phone also.
Your phone, and your phone,
even the first month. You buy the phone. Come on, phone.
Bye bye. Yeah, John goes on your way by woman. Sorry. Bye bye. Yes, chinga.
Arab lion, I was near. Arab Munagi. You don't get you enough for that. I have Lonia.
Get it. I'm on the phone now. Makachireka. You remember Malakia. Two phone measure. You put on the wound ever. Mukia, you shall lose. I have a phone. No problem. No, he shot you.
We must learn a lesson.